Welcome to this video. We are going to make a very beautiful and simple wire ring. I have chosen steel wire that is both delicate and hard. Okay, pick up a 0.8 wire and cut it in about 28 centimeter, just like this. Before doing anything, remember to make it straight. You could use a napkin like this. There are so many ways, but it's a simple and accessible way to make your wires straight. Then, at the middle of your wire, put your round nose pliers like this, and then make a bend. Try to make two tails just straight and parallel. If you're using steel wire, it could be a little challenging, but it's all right. Then put your mandrel and wrap this wire all around the point that is equal to your ring size. And now, there it is, your perfect ring. Now it's the time to choose the pearl or the beads you are going to make this beautiful ring. I have green beads that is the same color as my nail polish, but I think white is better. What do you think? Green is better or the white one? Anyway, I've chosen a white pearl. Put it in one of the tails and make a 90-degree. This helps to keep it easier, just like the heart earring that we had before. Keep it tight and roll it all around, just like this. You know that steel wire is a little harder than the other wires like brass or copper, gold or silver. So if it is not going properly onto your bead or pearl, you could use your chain nose pliers or any other tools that make it better and easier to roll it around the shape. Just continue rolling so that it would achieve to the point you had closed the ring. Repeat this in the other tail. And don't forget to bend any sharp edges into your work. The thing I repeat and insist all the time. And at the end, bend it again in your mandrel. It's almost made, and just little perfections is needed. And I edit those little parts, and let's try it out. It's beautiful and perfect, isn't it? I love it so much, and I use it in all the occasions. Do you like it as well? Please comment it below so that I know which kind of rings do you like, so that I will explain in further tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it would be useful for you. Subscribe the channel and like this video if you had liked this tutorial, and help me to grow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.